Is the OnePlus 12 better than the S24 Ultra? It's a question that's been making rounds in tech circles, and today, we're going to find out. Starting with design, the OnePlus 12 offers a sleek and stylish look, with a glass back that's quite a sight to behold. It's a lightweight device that fits comfortably in the hand, with a high-quality build that truly stands out. On the other hand, the S24 Ultra boasts a more robust design, with a metal frame and a matte finish. It's a bit heavier, but it feels substantial and well-made. Moving on to the display, the OnePlus 12 features a 6.7-inch Fluid AMOLED display offering sharp and vibrant colors. With a refresh rate of 120 Hz, scrolling and gaming are buttery smooth. The S24 Ultra, on the other hand, comes with a slightly larger 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display. It also features a 120 Hz refresh rate, but with a higher resolution, the images appear a bit more crisp and detailed. Under the hood, both phones are powered by the latest Snapdragon processor, promising speedy performance and efficient battery management. Both phones also offer 12 GB of RAM, providing plenty of headroom for multitasking and heavy gaming. In terms of storage, the OnePlus 12 comes with a base storage of 128 GB, while the S24 Ultra offers a more generous 156 GB in its base model. Both phones offer expandable storage, allowing you to add more space if needed. Let's talk about the camera. The OnePlus 12 sports a triple camera setup with a 48-megapixel main sensor, a 16-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 5-megapixel macro sensor. The S24 Ultra, however, goes a step further with a quad-camera setup, adding a 48-megapixel periscope telephoto lens to the mix. Regarding the battery, both phones offer a 4,500 mAh battery. However, the S24 Ultra supports faster wireless charging, making it a bit more convenient for those always on the go. So which phone takes the crown? It's a tough call. Both phones offer impressive specs and performance. However, with a more robust camera setup and more generous base storage, the S24 Ultra edges out the OnePlus 12. But if you prefer a lighter and more stylish design, then the OnePlus 12 might be the better choice for you. Ultimately, the choice depends on your personal preference and needs. There you have it, a comprehensive comparison of the OnePlus 12 and the S24 Ultra. Stay tuned for more tech updates and comparisons.